Hey, happy Memorial Day. Dave here, Dave's Model Car Shop. 56 Chevy Bel Air Rebuilder. I built it around 99, 2000. Traded it away in '08. Got it back last Monday. And this is what I've been tinkering with right here. Because I don't want to finish that one. That is for another video. That is a whole lot of... Oh, God. That's one I want to step on, but enough about that. Yeah, nothing special about this. It's just one that I cleaned up from my hackery from when I was younger. Floyd had added some bare metal foil. They did all the trim around the windows because Dave didn't do trim back then. I put the glass in. Because when I put the glass in, I used to use Scotch tape because I hate putting glass in. So that's another story. It does have a brand new suspension, front and rear, new chassis. I added some ladder bars. It got a brake booster. It's got seat belts in it now. It's got a bench seat instead of buckets. And that's about all I did to it, really. Really can't see in there. But my lighting sucks in here. But it's there, I promise. They're all in there. And it's got a new grill. There's the hood. Yeah, so... She's home. She's gonna go on the shelf, and that's where she's gonna stay. And what else I wanted to say? Anyways, thank you for everybody for the likes, subscribe, and sharing. Again, big shout out to Floyd Messier Jr. for all the new parts to finish this up, get this back together again. Thank you much. And I forgot else what I was gonna say. Yeah, so I don't know when the next video is coming out for the 3 people that watch this channel. I don't know what I got coming up next because I'm not sure if I'm going to finish that or not. But anyways, y'all have a good night. Be safe. Don't forget, at 500, I'm giving one away. Peace.